Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, as usual, today I would like to review some more my animal I made. Okay, from Lego. Let's go. So the bird and like call a dodo lah. So the wings can move. The tail, oopsie. Okay, the mouth. The head. Can also be the robot mode. And this one, the arm and the legs. Okay, change into the robot mode. Okay, so open this up. Right, open. This one, the space I use it to put the Lego inside it. Okay, open up the arms, arm forward. Alright, so this one, the leg, just straight. Okay, so like this one. Okay, the tail. So to the robot mode, I'll put the little one here, space. So buckle it up, that safety belt. Okay, this one is special because not usual. I made the legs. Dodo bird. From my first impression, I would like to make the ostrich, but after that I feeling like I want to make a dodo, so become like this one. Okay, change it to back, the animal mode. So close it, this one, same also. Bring the head forward and close the mouth. So straight the arm. This one for the legs, bend forward. Okay, so it become the bird, what I call it, Dodo. Okay, Dodo, nicely. No! Okay, finish my review, my idea to become this reality. So, like, share and subscribe my channel if you want to see more video. Alright? Okay, goodbye. Ta-da!